Hello, friends. Today we will discuss climate change and India. Climate change refers to the long term alteration in temperature, rainfall, wind patterns, and other aspects of Earth's climate system, mainly caused by human activities like burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial emissions. India, being a tropical developing country, is one of the most vulnerable nations to impacts of climate change due to geography and its population and dependence on agriculture. Causes of climate change is greenhouse gas emissions. GHGs. India is the world's third largest emitter of carbon dioxide, mainly from coal-based power plants, vehicles, and industries. Example is thermal power stations in states like Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and Odisha contribute heavily to CO2 emissions. Second is deforestation. Urbanization and agricultural expansion have reduced India's forest cover in some regions, lowering the natural capacity to absorb CO2. Third is industrialization and transportation. Rapid industrial growth and rising vehicle numbers increase air pollution and carbon emissions. Fourth is agricultural activities. Rice cultivation and livestock produce methane, that is CH4, a potent greenhouse gas. Impact of climate change in India. First, agriculture. Changing rainfall patterns and rising temperature affect crop productivity. Second is Punjab and Haryana face reduced wheat yields due to heat stress, while farmers in Maharashtra face droughts affecting sugarcane production. Water resource. Second is melting of Himalayan glaciers threaten rivers like Ganga and Brahmaputra. Example, reduced glacier flow may cause water shortage for millions depending on these rivers. Third is health impacts, increased heat waves, vector-borne diseases like malaria, dengue, air pollution related illness are on the rise. Example is Delhi experiences severe heat wave and poor air quality each summer. And in winter there is smog throughout the area, which is very harmful for respiratory system. Fourth is coastal areas. Rising sea levels threaten coastal cities like Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata, causing floods and displacement. Example is frequent flooding in Mumbai is linked to intense rainfall events worsened by climate change. Fifth is biodiversity loss. Forest fires, coral bleaching, and habitat loss affect wildlife. Example is the Sundarbans mangrove ecosystem is shrinking due to rising sea levels. Government initiatives to combat climate change. First is National Action Plan on Climate Change, that is NAPCC, includes missions on solar energy, sustainable agriculture, water and Himalayan ecosystem protection. Second is international commitments. India is part of the Paris Agreement 2015 and aims to achieve net zero emissions by 2070. Third is renewable energy expansion. India has become a global leader in solar energy through the International Solar Alliance ISA and aims for 500 gigawatt of renewable capacity by 2030. Fourth is afforestation and conservation programs. Projection like Green India Mission promote forest cover and carbon absorption. Fifth is sustainable transport initiatives, encouragement of electric vehicles, EVs, and public transport to reduce emissions. Examples of climate action in India: solar power in Rajasthan, the Bhada Solar Park, Bhadla Solar Park, one of the world's largest, produces clean energy and reduces carbon emissions. Second is Kerala Forest 2018, a reminder of how extreme rainfall events linked to climate change can cause devastating floods. Delhi's odd even policy, the local initiative to reduce vehicular pollution during smog periods. So, climate change poses a serious threat to India's environment, economy, and people. While challenges are immense, India's shift towards renewable energy, climate friendly policies, and awareness efforts offer hope for sustainable future. Addressing climate change is not just an environmental issue, it is an economic and social necessity for India's development.